One of the most obvious feminine traits is radiance, beauty, and softness. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of health, vitality, and delicacy. Guys are naturally drawn to women who have these traits, as they indicate fertility, youth, and elegance. How can crossdressers achieve these traits? Here are some tips. Take good care of your skin. Use moisturizer, sunscreen, and exfoliator regularly to keep your skin smooth, hydrated, and glowing. Apply makeup that suits your skin tone, face shape, and eye color. Use foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter, and contour to create a flawless and radiant complexion. Use eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, and false lashes to enhance your eyes and make them look bigger and brighter. Use lipstick, gloss, and lip liner to define your lips and make them look fuller and softer. Style your hair in a way that flatters your face and matches your outfit. You can use a wig, extensions, or your own hair, depending on your preference and budget. Choose a hairstyle that is feminine and chic, such as curls, waves, braids, or buns. You can also accessorize your hair with clips, bands, or hats. Choose clothing that fits your body type and accentuates your curves. You can use padding, shapewear, or corsets to create an hourglass figure and a feminine silhouette. You can also opt for clothing that is soft, flowy, and colorful, such as dresses, skirts, blouses, and cardigans. Another feminine trait that guys love is a loving, nurturing, and caring nature. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of warmth, kindness, and support. Guys are naturally attracted to women who have these traits, as they indicate affection, compassion, and loyalty. How can crossdressers show these traits? Here are some tips. Give compliments to the guy you like and show interest in his life. You can compliment his appearance, his personality, his achievements, or his hobbies. You can also ask him questions about his work, his family, his friends, or his dreams. Show gestures of love and care to the guy you like and make him feel special. You can hug him, kiss him, hold his hand, or cuddle with him. You can also cook for him, buy him gifts, or surprise him with something he likes. Listen to the guy you like and be there for him when he needs you. You can lend him an ear, a shoulder, or a hand. You can also offer him advice, encouragement, or comfort. A third feminine trait that guys love is vulnerability, empathy, and compassion. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of openness, understanding, and respect. Guys are naturally drawn to women who have these traits, as they indicate honesty, intimacy, and harmony. How can crossdressers express these traits? Here are some tips. Share your feelings with the guy you like and let him see your true self. You can tell him about your fears, your hopes, your joys, or your sorrows. You can also show him your weaknesses, your strengths, your flaws, or your virtues. Be supportive of the guy you like and empathize with his emotions. You can acknowledge his feelings, validate his experiences, and appreciate his perspective. You can also help him cope with his challenges, celebrate his successes, and cheer him up. Be respectful of the guy you like and his choices. You can accept his differences, understand his reasons, and honor his preferences. You can also avoid judging him, criticizing him, or imposing your views on him. A fourth feminine trait that guys love is playfulness, curiosity, and creativity. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of joy, wonder, and innovation. Guys are naturally attracted to women who have these traits, as they indicate enthusiasm, intelligence, and originality. How can crossdressers display these traits? Here are some tips. Use humor to lighten up the mood and make the guy you like laugh. You can crack jokes, tease him, or make fun of yourself. You can also use sarcasm, irony, or exaggeration. Explore new things with the guy you like and learn from him. You can ask him questions, listen to his stories, or follow his lead. You can also suggest new activities, places, or topics. Express your creativity with the guy you like and impress him. You can show him your talents, skills, or hobbies. You can also create something for him, such as a poem, a song, or a gift. A fifth feminine trait that guys love is flowing, adaptable, and open to change. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of fluidity, flexibility, and growth. Guys are naturally drawn to women who have these traits, as they indicate ease, resilience, and potential. How can crossdressers demonstrate these traits? Here are some tips. Try new things with the guy you like and challenge yourself. You can experiment with different styles, roles, or scenarios. You can also step out of your comfort zone, take risks, or face your fears. Be spontaneous with the guy you like and surprise him. You can act on your impulses, follow your intuition, or go with the flow. You can also change your plans, switch your mood, or alter your behavior. Accept feedback from the guy you like and improve yourself. You can listen to his opinions, suggestions, or compliments. You can also acknowledge your mistakes, learn from them, or correct them. A sixth feminine trait that guys love is putting others before themselves and building strong connections. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of altruism, cooperation, and belonging. Guys are naturally attracted to women who have these traits, as they indicate generosity, teamwork, and loyalty. How can crossdressers practice these traits? Here are some tips. Be generous with the guy you like and share with him. You can share your time, your attention, or your resources. You can also share your thoughts, your feelings, or your secrets. Be attentive to the guy you like and his needs. You can notice his likes, his dislikes, or his moods. You can also anticipate his wants, his wishes, or his expectations. Be trustworthy with the guy you like and his trust. You can keep your promises, your commitments, or your agreements. You can also keep his secrets, his confidences, or his belongings. A seventh feminine trait that guys love is knowing when to compromise and when to keep fighting. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of balance, wisdom, and courage. Guys are naturally drawn to women who have these traits, as they indicate reason, maturity, and strength. How can crossdressers apply these traits? Here are some tips. Be reasonable with the guy you like and his views. You can respect his opinions, understand his arguments, or agree to disagree. You can also negotiate, bargain, or concede. Be assertive with the guy you like and your rights. You can express your opinions, defend your arguments, or stand your ground. You can also persuade, influence, or convince. Be courageous with the guy you like and your goals. You can pursue your passions, overcome your obstacles, or achieve your dreams. You can also inspire, motivate, or encourage. An eighth feminine trait that guys love is keeping silent and practicing humility. These traits are often associated with femininity because they reflect a sense of grace, modesty, and gratitude. Guys are naturally attracted to women who have these traits, as they indicate elegance, dignity, and appreciation. How can crossdressers cultivate these traits? Here are some tips. Be modest with the guy you like and your achievements. You can downplay your successes, acknowledge your failures, or credit your helpers. You can also avoid boasting, bragging, or showing off. Be polite with the guy you like and his manners. You can use proper etiquette, follow social norms, or respect cultural differences. You can also say please, thank you, or sorry. Be grateful with the guy you like and his gifts. You can appreciate his efforts, his gestures, or his sacrifices. You can also express your gratitude, your happiness, or your love. In conclusion, cross-dressing is a wonderful way to explore your femininity and attract guys. By adopting some of the common feminine traits that guys love, such as radiance, beauty, and softness, a loving, nurturing, and caring nature, vulnerability, empathy, and compassion, playfulness, curiosity, and creativity, flowing, adaptable, and open to change, putting others before themselves and building strong connections, knowing when to compromise and when to keep fighting, and keeping silent and practicing humility, you can enhance your femininity and appeal to guys. We hope that this video has given you some useful tips and inspiration for your cross-dressing journey. If you have any thoughts or experiences to share, please feel free to leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you.